This set was pretty interesting. This customer, he emailed us with a picture of a render that he found online. Really loved the taillights on the render, and I was able to get it built. The way that we do that is by emailing Illumisthetic pictures of the render. They have all their CAD guys there. The CAD guys get to work. They come up with a real life product in CAD, obviously, that can be made. We send proof to it to the customer, and the customer approved it, and then we build it out. So I think it came out really, really good. What we did was an addressable halo right through there, addressable strips in the X, and then it runs out to these strips here, which act like an addressable matrix. This show mode really shows how it's all kind of wired up. So it goes halo, X, then out to the grid. In my mind, that's what made the most sense. Would you have wired it any differently though? Another good thing about these is just how simple the wiring is. So we've got the Blue Ghost harness, just plugs in there, and Blue Ghost harness on this side, plugs in right there. The goal is to have it so that anyone can plug these in, even if the customer sells it. It should be pretty obvious where everything goes.